Already. I have not taken a video of one of these in a while. This is my Salem 29-foot 2 queen beds. It's always been one of the customers' favorites. This was the first floor plan to come out with 2 queen beds like this. So you get 2 rooms. Big Versa lounge here. This flips around. This back piece pulls out of here, turns around on this side, and will make a U-shaped dinette or an L-shaped sofa. Or you can make it into 2 separate beds, 1 huge bed, several options. I love how it flips around like that. And then these bunk beds here have chalkboards underneath of them, as you can see. And these pull down. Try to give it one hand. All right. Gives you directions of which one to do first and which one to do last. And then this pulls out to a queen size bed. This piece just folds down. There's a handle on it. Pull that down and your mattress flips down. And there's a comforter that goes on that as well. Storage back here. You can mount a TV back here. There is a pocket door. This will close all the way. It's magnetic. It will kind of stick there. All right. Fireplace, Bluetooth soundbar, queen size bed. This bathroom's awesome.